In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Find feature in QuickBooks Online. This tool is a simple but powerful way to quickly track down past transactions, whether you're double-checking your records, looking for a specific payment, or trying to answer a question from a customer or vendor. Let's start right inside your QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the very top right corner of the screen, you'll see a small magnifying glass icon in the QuickBooks toolbar. This is your main search and find tool. Go ahead and move your mouse up there and click that magnifying glass. As soon as you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. In this panel, QuickBooks automatically shows a list of your most recent transactions. This is handy if you just worked on something and need to jump back to it quickly. You'll see things like recent invoices, expenses, or payments you've created or edited, all lined up in one place. Now, if you're looking for something more specific, you'll want to use the search box at the very top of that drop-down. Click into that box and start typing your search term. This can be many different things: the name of a customer, the name of a vendor, a particular dollar amount, or even part of a reference number. For example, if you're trying to find an invoice for a certain client, you can start typing their name. If you only remember the amount, type the number instead. As you type, QuickBooks will automatically begin filtering and updating the results below in real time. You don't have to press enter or click a search button. Just type a few characters and watch as the list narrows down. This autocomplete style behavior can save a lot of time, especially if you're not exactly sure of all the details. If you don't see what you're looking for right away, try refining your search by adding more letters or digits. When you spot the transaction you need in the results list, simply click on it. QuickBooks will immediately open that transaction in a new window or panel where you can review all the details. From here, you can confirm the date, customer or vendor, amount, and any line items. You can also make edits if you have permission, or just use it for reference. That's all there is to it. By using the magnifying glass, checking your recent transactions, typing a search term, watching the live results, and then clicking the one you need, you can move through QuickBooks Online much more quickly and confidently.